welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Moza Nano SE. And I know what you're going to ask. Why are you making a video about a selfie stick? Well, this isn't just a selfie stick. It's a tripod, it's a gimbal combined with a selfie stick. I bet you've never seen this before. Just a little disclaimer before we get started, I'm not being paid to make this video, but Moza did send me this unit out for review, but as always, my thoughts are my own. So let's jump straight in and talk about who this device is made for. If you make content on your phone, you're going to be super impressed with this. When you leave the house to make a video, this is literally the only thing you really need to take with you. From my perspective, it's got three modes. Tripod mode, which is what it's in now. So you can literally balance your phone in the holder, which takes about 10 seconds, just FYI. Put the feet out and you have a beautifully steady camera, which you can move around and place anywhere you'd like. Then moving on to extended tripod mode / selfie stick mode. I mean, it goes higher than the frame, so we'll put it there. You can extend the selfie stick section and it turns into either a higher tripod or a selfie stick. And then we have gimbal mode. The head of this contraption actually has a motor in it, keeping the phone perfectly level like you would find on conventional gimbals. There's a whole host of different ways you could use this, but I was most impressed when using all three elements together, like creating a perfectly stable shot of myself walking through the woods. So onto the things I like and I don't like. And to start things off, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to balance. So I've taken my phone out. I'm going to slide my phone back in, and as you can see, it's right heavy, my right heavy. But if I just slide the phone along a little bit, perfect. That's really cool. That's how quickly you can set this up ready to go. The second thing I really like is you get this little remote control. So you can actually start and stop recording on your phone using this. So this is connected via Bluetooth to your phone, so it doesn't have to be anywhere near the phone itself. When I was out and about, I actually had it in my pocket, so I was pressing start and stop with this. With the iPhone, you can actually zoom in and out with this controller as well, but for some reason on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, that wouldn't work. And I really love how easy and quick it is to switch modes. Perfect. The last thing you want as a content creator is tools that get in the way of helping you make content. And I think the Moza Nano SE does that spectacularly. You barely even realize you're using an accessory, and it's almost just like an extension of the phone. Now onto the only negative I can really find after using this gimbal, that's all I can think to call it, for the past 2 days, and that's the fact that when you're in extended selfie mode like this, if you're using the front facing camera, then it works brilliantly, but say you want to use the rear facing camera like this or like this, you can see the camera's actually pointing at the ceiling, and there's no way to adjust that angle anymore. There is a way around this. You just have to take the phone out of the holder, put it back in the other way round, and then you have what I think is probably the perfect solution to filming yourself whilst out and about. The only issue is that the mount actually covers part of the screen, and on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it actually covers the part of the screen that says play video, which is a bit annoying. So how much does this thing cost? It's got to be an arm and a leg, right? Something with this many features packed into it has got to be expensive. Well, it's actually only £45. What a steal. Compared to other products on the market which I've tested, this thing is absolutely great. So if you're in the market for a one-stop product for all of your content creation needs, then look no further. That's my advice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And just before you go, why not head over to my new Facebook group and say hi? There's a link in the video description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again really soon.